91 years old. No medications, no assisted living, no slowing down. While most people plan retirement, Jerry Kyle plans strength, prosperity, health, happiness. Not theories, not trends, a lifetime of lived wisdom. For 90 years, he studied what makes a long life strong. Now, he's sharing it. Wisdom of 90 years. Prosperity, health, happiness. HealthyOldGuru.com. Grow old. Grow strong. Grow wise.
Health does not begin with pills. Most people think health begins at the pharmacy. It doesn't. Health begins long before symptoms show up. It begins with how you live, how you eat, how you sleep, and how you think. For 91 years, I have watched people treat their body like it's disposable until it breaks. Then they want a pill to fix years of neglect. Your body was not designed to be managed by chemicals. It was designed to be maintained by discipline. In our upcoming book, we talk about rebuilding health from the foundation, not masking symptoms. Follow along, we're just getting started.